Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and in today's segment about business plans, we'll look at the cover page, the table of contents, and the executive summary. On a couple of different videos, I've said that the person who will read your business plan the most is yourself. The process of writing it is just as valuable as the end product. However, if your business plan is going to be seen by other people, these three elements, the cover page, the table of contents, and the executive summary, are very important. The cover page contains your business name, your logo if you have one, the primary product or service offered if it is not obvious from the business name, the date, and your contact information. Because a lot of what I write has a medical slant to it, my cover page also includes a disclaimer stating that my content does not replace the advice of a doctor. Why is the cover page important? If you've applied for some kind of grant or program, chances are that there's some person whose job it is to make a short list based on business plans. That person has a stack of maybe 200 business plans and they have to narrow it down to 30 or 40. They're not going to read 200 business plans. They're going to look at the cover, and if the cover does not include all of the essential elements, you're probably not going to make the shortlist. So the cover page is a small detail, but it's very important. Next, the table of contents. Again, this is most useful for other people who are reading your business plan, because not everyone will necessarily read the whole thing. Some people might only care about certain sections. The table of contents can be automatically generated from the document as long as you make proper use of your headings and subheadings. The first section in the body of the document is the executive summary. Although this section appears first, it is usually written last. It is a one-page summary of everything that is in the document, so it makes sense to write the document first and then pick out the key points to put in the summary. Next week, we'll talk about what goes into the business profile. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.